The BMW i8's design has always drawn attention, but this particular i8 stands out from the crowd thanks to a number of Liberty Walk modifications. No matter how extreme a car's style is straight from the factory, Liberty Walk will find a way to make it even crazier. In this occasion, the well-known Japanese tuning business altered nearly every single body panel of the hybrid sports car. Beginning at the front, where Liberty Walk has installed a new bumper with a more eye-catching splitter and attached a pair of canards, is where things take off. It has also fitted the BMW with a bare carbon fiber bonnet and widened wheel arches up front. The changes continue around the sides of the i8, where you'll see longer skirts and flared rear wheel arches, which add to the car's aggressive appearance. Liberty Walk has also fitted it with a pair of Forgiato black wheels wrapped in Yokohama Advan tires on all four corners. The car's back end is even more spectacular than the front. The highlight is the chassis-mounted rear wing, which stretches high above the deck lid and features huge uprights and end plates. A new diffuser was also installed. To complete the outrageous transformation, Liberty Walk coated the sports vehicle in a bright pink and installed its standard air suspension system, which allows the ride height to be dramatically reduced with the flip of a switch. The car's powertrain has not been altered. That implies it will continue to use a 1.5-litre turbocharged 3-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor to produce a total of 369 horsepower.